Hey everyone, it's day one of our 12-day cruise around the Canary Islands. Once we arrived at the port, we checked in our luggage, which is such an easy process.
You simply look for which deck your room is on and hand your suitcases over to the port workers at that location, and they will send it through to the ship. We printed our luggage tags before heading out, but no stress if you've forgotten yours, they always have extras at the port. Next, you'll need to show your passport at the counter before you pass through security. And then it's time to hop on the ship.
When you cruise with Princess, you're given a medallion, which is a coin-sized device that is used as your room key, ID and payment method around the ship. It uses RFID and Bluetooth technology to make things super easy by providing a touchless service like opening your cabin door, ordering drinks and even finding your family, all through the Medallion Class app.
Hello, good morning.
Welcome on board, Sarah.
Yes, thank you.
Stanley's ready. One for you.
Wait, yeah, if you don't mind.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm on your turn then. Sorry. Good?
Thank you.
Yeah. Together. On your thing.
Go on, Joe. And just Alfie.
No, I've already got one.
Not on here.
Yeah, go on.
On here, so we can get it, we can do you on the go.
Okay.
Nice. Already done the bags?
Yeah, wow.
Wow. This is really nice.
Yeah.
How clean it is. I'm so impressed that they've got all
really
bags in there. And revealing the
Fridge.
fridge. Mini bar.
And the waters that I need to drink right now.
We've got waters.
Heineken, you like
we've got
that?
Heinekens for me, water. Oh, we've got our shore excursions, our princess guide, our princess patter for the day and a few letters. We've got a phone, tea and coffee with a kettle. And we've got our mini bar. We get Baileys this time, which is nice. Follow round to trying to get through his curtain. Looks like it's raining actually. And we've got our balcony, if I can open it. Ta-da! Yeah, I think it is raining. Oh, nice. See IKEA from here in Southampton.
I think it's quite a long walk, it would have been, wouldn't it?
Oh, it would have been half an hour. Two sun lounges and a little table, decent sized balcony. This is the general emergency alarm that sounds before we set sail to allow guests to be familiarised with it. You also need to make sure you visit your muster station before the ship can set sail and also watch the safety video. You can find the location of your muster station on the back of your stateroom door, and you can watch the safety video on your TV in your stateroom or on your phone through the Princess app. Just gonna show you the bathroom. There is actually soap, because I'd said about bringing hand soap, and they come with it. Hand soap and lotion, which is good. Nice mirror, some towels, decent sized shower. And then coming out of here, we've got our wardrobe space, live vests.
Oh, everybody in. Everybody in.
Everybody in. Full aboard.
Here comes the buffet train.
Live cam.
Everybody wave. Right, we've all got to do the little wiggle out the lift.
We'll have to do it out the lift when we get off in a minute, when we've eaten. Get me to that, but I'll just tell him to put the beef on a plate.
So we're on board Sky Princess, ready to cruise. This time we're cruising with James's family for his nephew's 18th birthday. So we're off to the buffet to grab something to eat, which is located on the Lido deck 16. Here you also have Slice Pizzeria, which offers a selection of pizzas with various toppings, including their award-winning Neapolitan style pizza. Right, let's go and see what's in the buffet before we sail away.
Thank you.
What's that? Can I have a slice, please? Yes, thank you. Just one or two? Two, please.
After dinner, we thought we'd do a mini tour to show you what Sky Princess has to offer. Welcome to the Princess Theatre on Sky Princess. It has a capacity of just over 900 seats, but make sure to get here around 20 to 30 minutes before, because it does fill up quick. The theatre offers a range of shows from magic to their own production shows, singing, comedy and more. I would definitely recommend the shows, so make sure you check them out as there's something for everyone. From the theatre you have the Shops of Princess, which are a collection of duty-free boutiques featuring luxury items like designer fragrances, cosmetics, watches, jewellery and accessories. They also offer souvenirs, chocolates and alcohol, where you could save up to 30% off US retail price. If there's something you like and you can wait until the end of your cruise, they usually offer a 20% off day, so be sure to check that out. You can also receive an extra 10% off if you're an Elite Captain Circle member as part of their loyalty program. Here we have Alfredos, which serves authentic, made-to-order Neapolitan pizza. They offer pizza to all, as they are vegetarian, vegan, pescatarian, dairy-free and gluten-free friendly. There is a charge of $14.99 for adults and $7.49 for a child. However, if you've already added yourself a Princess Plus or Princess Premier package, then Alfredos is included. The Piazza style grand atrium is the real centerpiece of the ship. It covers several decks and is filled with lots of seating areas, so there's always somewhere to sit and watch what's going on. It offers all-day entertainment run by the cruise staff along with the cast singers, dancers, musicians, bands and stage crew. Throughout the day there were quieter music performances and fun games, and at night it had events like the Champagne Waterfall and 80s discos. We spent a lot of time here and really enjoyed soaking up the atmosphere with a drink. Princess Live is a flexible studio venue located on Deck 7. During the day it hosts interactive activities such as game shows and trivia events, and quickly became one of our favourite spots to chill out at. We love dropping in for the interactive activities like trivia, game shows and Voice of the Ocean. It always felt fun and engaging, especially with how involved the hosts were with the audience. This is the Vista Lounge, a great spot with a bar and plenty of seating. It hosts gallery events, quizzes, bingo in the morning and afternoon on sea days, game shows and lots more. In the early evenings, it turns into the Elite Lounge, where elite passengers can enjoy drinks and canopies before dinner. Later on, the lounge comes alive with comedy shows, live bands and a silent disco, which we'd definitely recommend. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.